Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a hair website on Squarespace. First, select a template that truly reflects your brand's unique style. Squarespace offers hundreds of beautiful designs, so take your time. Next, personalize your site by adding your salon's specific colors, fonts, and logo. Finally, upload stunning, high-resolution photos of your best work to immediately capture visitor attention. This initial setup is crucial for a professional online presence. Every successful hair salon website needs a few core pages. Start with an About Us section to tell your unique story and connect with potential clients on a personal level. Then, build a comprehensive services page, clearly listing all your offerings, from cuts to color, with brief descriptions. Don't forget a captivating gallery or portfolio to visually demonstrate your expertise and inspire new clients. These pages are your digital storefront. Now, let's add functionality. Integrate a seamless online booking system directly into your Squarespace site, allowing clients to schedule appointments 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Consider adding an e-commerce section to sell your favorite hair care products, generating additional revenue. Always ensure your pricing and service durations are clearly displayed on your services page, providing transparency and convenience for every client. This enhances user experience. Before launching, optimize your site for search engines by incorporating relevant keywords throughout your content. This helps new clients find you online. Next, link all your social media profiles directly to your website, creating a cohesive online presence and driving traffic. Finally, meticulously review every page, checking for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues. Once everything is perfect, hit that Publish button and share your beautiful new hair website with the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.